Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica, and welcome back to another Project Thrift 52 video. It's currently week 42 of the project, and I'm going to take you into another one of the Raleigh, North Carolina Goodwills. This particular one happens to be right off of Glenwood Avenue. I've never been into this particular Goodwill before, so I'm excited to take you guys inside. I will show you around a little bit, and then I'll show you anything I purchase at the end of the video. So before I take you inside, I did have a donation in my trunk that I wanted to drop off first. I just have a box of household items, clothing, an area rug, and a helmet that no longer fits my daughter Hannah. So now that we are inside, let me know down in the comments what your favorite item was on today's thrifting trip. So it did look like someone donated their doll collection. The one in the velvet green dress really caught my eye because it looked pretty old. I thought this next brass item was pretty neat. Here's a close-up of some of the hieroglyphics it had on it that I thought were pretty interesting. So on this particular day, there wasn't a lot of furniture to really look through, but I did spot a piece from across the room and I had to walk over and check it out because I thought it might be a really nice piece. I probably stood here for about 15 minutes contemplating getting this piece. I really love the yellow color, but it doesn't really go with any of my decor, so I thought about painting it, but I did leave it behind, so hopefully someone that has a yellow color scheme can enjoy it exactly as it is, and it was a great price for only $49.99. Another thing that I like to look at when I go thrifting are the records. I think the cover art makes really great artwork for your home, so I always like to look through these anytime I can find them. So now I'm going to show you what I purchased today. So I only bought one item today, and it was that really pretty vintage marble lamp. I was able to test it out before I left the store to make sure it worked. The lamp was $3.99, and I'm just using a magic eraser to remove the marker off of the bottom, and it came off very easy. So now I'm going to show you how I styled the lamp and where I put it in my home. Right now we are here in my dining area, and I have been wanting a lamp for the back corner of the room for a while now. So when I saw this one, I thought it would be perfect to add to my little table I have under my window. Sometimes the overhead light can be a little too bright, especially early in the morning, so I thought having a lamp would be perfect. I did want to add some more height under the lamp, so I stacked some of my decorating books underneath it to give it some height. And all of the books are previous thrift store finds as well. I really like how the wooden base of the lamp matches some of the other pieces in my room, like my thrifted bowl here in the middle of my table. So then I just have my dough bowl planter beside the lamp and my holiday cactus on the end of the table. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you back for week 43.